not capable of recreating PS1 yet.
This video game is a genuine first-generation copy produced on behalf and with the approval of. Shut the fuck up.
Vague scenario. LLC. That's a good creepy title. It's a card. That's new.
No comment about.
And from a.
Why are you ticking? Across the street.
The future is rising.
The monster is here. Shouldn't have put this shit on there. I can't say anything. I covered up the number. Yeah. Are you okay? Feel my legs. Don't hurt me. I'll go get him.
You're making such a mockery of this game.
It's cheesy 80s quality.
This is the worst headache ever. But I think I'm alright. It's getting dark. Better get the flashlight out.
There we are. Spooky Dookie.
Featuring Dana Scully. Who's Jeff? Who the fuck is Jeff?
Turn on my flashlight. What way? I think I walked this way. There's nothing else this time. I felt those are tears in her shirt, or she's got a weird spotty shirt.
This is just cloud pattern.
Oh, so that's
Fucking knock it off.
not really. I thought those were like rock stairs in the distance, but it was just texture. The only guy I had.
Does the moss grow on a mountainside? She's got such an ugly butt. Like thin out as the stretch.
She's the old lady's butt.
She walks forward, her legs get thinner.
It's a race before your other weeks.
Where are they going?
Still, or
Oh, this terrain is built to the in the tuck. Where?
hello?
Oh, I'm
My
in.
Yep is hurt.
Save me, yeah.
Is that the man?
That's just a man.
Does he tell you of the legend?
Where has he? Ricky Jones.
Oh, you actually would have turned the name around.
Motherfucker.
Oh my god. Beautiful vista.
You will never see it again.
Alright.
This just tells me never to go to a wooded area.
How did their car get in the That could be
Those-
for anything.
Those holes indicate cliff falling.
This door is open. Go inside. Or a creepy building.
Yef.
That's not good. Don't tell me how creepy it is. What was that? And why? Is that?
And what? Who's here?
Where are you? I'm in the toilet. Are you in the toilet? Oh, that was interesting. She like scratched her ear with her shoulder.
Just collectibles or?
Shines. Looks like an article ripped out of a newspaper. Read it.
No.
Yeah. The search continues for two missing campers in the Pocono Mountains. Mason C. Sargent and Lloyd Summers of Long Island, New York, have been missing since June 8th. Their campsite in Blunt's have been located, but investigators have few leads. Police say there are no visible signs of a struggle, and this continues to be a rescue mission. The rest is missing. Dated August 1982.
It's truly classic 80s.
Looks like a key.
Is this just the key to the outside? Just leave now.
Oh no. Why do I have to make that sound when I find the key? Ah! When I tested it, I walked in a big circle and ended up back in the car. And like the screen went full like scan lines with rainbows. Another key. Red paint.
Red pants.
Okay. What? Who that?
No.
What's that? No. Anything? I hear you. I don't like it. It's locked, my door. I feel like I'm being watched.
Ah.
Where though? Where you at?
This place didn't look that big from the outside.
No, I don't know where I am. I thought I was going back before, but then I ended up at some kind of factory room. And now I have no idea where I am. This goes downstairs.
No.
Ah, everything gets worse downstairs. No, it just loads. Okay. I thought I was gonna die.
That's
This is horrible.
fucking narrow hallways off of other hallways.
Am I gonna have to run? Because I don't have the mobility to do that. What?
I know. What?
Fucking lost.
Stuck on this. Door frame. Is that the stairs back up?
Yeah, behind you.
Go further down. That can't hurt. Ah, I thought that was a party horn.
Something.
There's something right here too. It's like a newspaper article. Read it.
The rest of the thing.
Braden Mill to close, August 15th, 1981. After a series of accidents, the Brandon Sawmill will be shut down later this month by state regulators who seek to lease the land to the State Park Commission. But some residents say the grounds are cursed after decades of mishaps, fires, and deaths. It's ripped. Maybe I can find the rest. They're all ripped. Someone's just going around ripping up the lore and spreading it around. Third part of a newspaper article. How do you know? What remained of the building was converted into the Brandon Sawmill. Since opening, 7 workers have lost their lives due to, that was the wrong use of due, what state officials call a pattern of nearly criminal negligence in an effort to cut costs. Mill managers, on the other hand, blame industrial sabotage for accidents caused by faulty equipment, mostly rope and harness failures. Somebody made the cuts in those ropes, said manager Bob Gibb. Just enough so we wouldn't notice, but enough so they would snap during use. State inspectors have found no evidence of tampering. That's the end of that story.
That's the first one.
Looks like a second part. Now I got the middle.
The original building, the Sunshine Children's Orphanage, was built by Russell Mort, the eccentric millionaire, inventor. Damn it, I hate that. Who rose to fame during World War II and later committed suicide after allegations of child abuse inside the facility. Mort left no will, and the property was fortified to the state. Forfeited. built stronger to the state, which left it abandoned until a fire in 1975. It's ripped. Maybe I can find the rest.
Too late.
That's it, right?
Already did. I guess so. That's the story. So we're in a spooky mill. The Brandon Mill.
The Brandon Mill.
Brandon. Just run hood.
The fucking shit. Narrow way. You can find the third key, then I think you can finish.
Different tiling in here.
A good old dead end.
Why would they build this like this?
Just because fuck.
Oh. Didn't want to go back upstairs.
This game has me fucking uneasy.
You haven't even seen anything yet. I'm so surprised. There's multitudes of things down here that happen. Oh, but there was more down over there.
Oh my god. But it all goes up.
But back there,
Oh,
when
I-
it split, it went down. Did you see it?
Yeah, but I wasn't sure if that was where I already went down.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Right there.
2 down.
What?
That's
Okay, just the shit.
good. That's good building.
That's more.
Okay, just shit ends. Okay. Let's make shit ends neat.
I guess I'll go up here.
Where the two shits meet. Oh! Fuck!
What?
Now! Now!
I tried.
Fuck up to you and kill you.
Murdered.
Little scampy
You didn't
man.
even see him.
Do I have those keys?
No, you gotta go grab them. At least you know where they are, though.
I don't.
Oh, to just go that way. We're out of here and right straight is the first one.
Straight.
Straight there.
Here. And then I know however I got to that sawmill. No, that's newspaper.
Oh, is it right? Oh, you must already have a Buster hanged up your time.
Well, that would not be good. You see him?
Yeah, you see it. It's not just a forest.
There's a key.
I'm afraid it is just a fucking
There's
forest.
that one key, but where's the other one?
Downstairs, wasn't it?
This one, green key. The other one had red.
So they are random.
Oh my god.
Wow.
It's locked. I feel like I'm being watched. You are.
Yeah.
You ought to know that you are being watched.
Every fucking time.
Don't open doors.
No, I can not die.
Yeah, you can run from it. Fucking shit luck. Cause he's just wandering around like you are.
He's looking for the keys too.
I'm just here looking for the keys.
I want to save.
Trapped here so long.
I want to save Jeff just as bad as you do.
Oh yeah.
No, no keys this time. Good news. Everything is different. Always. Don't get stuck on corners. You'll be on you. Red paint. What is that sound?
Run! Pocono vanishing.
Pocono vanishing. No traces of missing campers. April 4th, 1985. Since 1978, 12 campers have disappeared. On a 100-mile stretch of the Pocono Mountains, we conduct dozens of rescue missions each year, says Park Ranger Charlie Pike. People come up here to camp and hike all the time without any experience. Accidents happen. While most rescues are successful, these 12 have stopped Park Rangers in Campfires left burnt, boots and jackets left behind. Radio still playing. It's like these people were ripped away from their campsites, says Andy Brandon, who was involved in the search for it. That's not going to be found because it's not just ink.
Sweet.
Think there's fake keys?
Where do I use the keys at?
imagine red, green, and blue.
Yeah.
My second time when I got here, I walked in that doorway and he fucking ran right up those
girl. We just want her back, Wilbur said in a tearful plea. According to Wilbur's, Christine. The Wilburs? Oh, the Wilburs. I thought it was just the guy named Wilburs. Christine was playing near the bushes towards the edge of the campsite. We called her for dinner, and she just wasn't there anymore. Police are looking at all possibilities. Wildcat attacks are pretty common in this area, said Sergeant Bailey. But her parents think she was abducted. There was no bear or a cat here. We didn't hear any animals. Somebody grabbed her. Somebody took her from us. That's all it says. She's getting got. She got. That was her screaming, wasn't it? Oh, is that Bigfoot?
Fucking poop face.
Ah,
Nice.
I got on 2 keys. I got a keys. I got a keys. How do I get back? Am I going the way? I'm stuck. This doesn't look familiar. Where am I? Nothing is familiar anymore.
No, go left. Turn around, go left. No, just
Yeah,
straight that way.
Through here? And then right? No. No.
No! He's so tall!
He's so tall!
Fuck. That's so shitty you could hear his fucking shitty footsteps.
So wet.
Keys.
Such a tender white footstep.
No keys. No keys. Okay. What? Yes. This is playing trick on me. He crashed the car just so he could go off and kill people again. You've been doing this for years, haven't you? Everything is good. Ah!
This time they weren't giving you any easy keys.
No keys. Anyway. I just don't know.
Move to D.
I know you started like redoing stuff, but I don't know if it's anything.
It's like Slender Man when he was behind everything, he could reinstalled it. I might have to go now. It opened.
Is that what it says?
If only. Listen here. It's open.
I think open.
In the newest update, he's got, when you're running away, the look behind button, so you see like the player's face, you can see behind you. It's fucking crazy looking.
You don't need to know that now.
I think I have the people capability to handle doing such a thing.
Before he's afraid of white water.
No, I murdered you in the blood water.
There's no prejudice. Prejudice towards the fart water.
This has been a long time ago. For the beginning, I was fucking terrified. 'Cause I went all the way around to the saw area, got murdered the first time. Found them staircases, he ran right up and stabbed me and killed me.
Why is
Do you think he wakes up with such a positive attitude? He's like, well, if murder's my game, I'm gonna play it.
He was just sitting there on that balcony waiting for somebody to come one day, and he finally did.
Yes!
It's like prancing through a field of Gene Wilder's hair.
Is it disturbing that I've always wanted to prance through a field? Oh, so I'm
cross.
This is
Satanic.
much more disturbing than I wanted it to be.
Is this a gem?
Not, yeah, definitely. Not that, Power Drill Massacre has any light notes of.
There's no indicator of anything with that
Can you
name.
on that door?
Oh yeah, I guess so.
Oh.
She'll go back upstairs. Okay. I guess I'll go back upstairs.
Here I go.
How do I get back down them other stairs? Into the worst corridor ever. Boom! Do it. Well, it doesn't matter now, because I don't have nothing to lose. I got nothing to lose.
I'm not afraid anymore.
Is this man naked?
Huh?
Is he naked?
Yeah, he's got a small Michael Myers mask.
I'm a Michael Myers man.
You guys haven't even got the good look at it.
No. And I'm like, the camera angles are so.
Why don't you turn on a fix or try that, Chris?
F1.
No.
Oh, good.
Oh,
Resident Evil
no.
angles.
No. No.
How do I?
That's fucking awful. I mean, it's cool.
It's Resident Evil.
There's nothing wrong with taking control.
That's what you had to begin with, though. That's why.
That's how it is.
Doing the mouse is so weird.
But then you gotta go around corners and line. It's like playing
I don't even know when he's there to begin with.
Where's the key? No, to your right. Behind you. No, behind you.
This?
On the next table. No, no.
That's the table overturned.
Yep.
Fuck, you can't find any keys this time. You gotta be down this way.
That's what I'm trying to figure out how to get to. How to get there.
Down in the piece of shit.
I don't know how to do this.
This control's much easier, though. I'm not running into walls.
It's like here, you're close to.
So one of these is
There him is.
He's having such a happy frolic. Ooh!
He's been waiting all day for this.
She's here.
She's here.
Hey,
Easy right away.
thanks.
Awesome. So we're taking time to R&D shit here.
I don't feel so pathetic now. Now that I got a key.
Because it should just be straight ahead.
Again. Right?
I don't know.
Dumb fucking cocksucker. So fast.
No, he's coming. We knew it.
Woo!
Bow from which way?
But get her.
Where am I?
My fucking hands are like.
I've been waiting all day.
I didn't have a drink in my hand.
I can't wait for the.
Throttled it everywhere.
I can't wait for the gift sets of people reacting to video games and having like silly shit and like people superimposing silly shit in their hands, like maracas and shit.
See the left, there we go. And then when you take the first left, down here is like fuck.
Don't mean I'm gonna find anything this
I
time.
saw a ghost girl and shit when I was down here. And then I got murdered by
Ghost girl.
First
a little
ghost?
girl that's a ghost.
Is this up to up? Like actual up?
No.
First ghost.
Ah!
There you go. There's your ghost girl.
Ah, come on. Ah!
No. I feel like there's.
I'm just gonna keep running.
What's that bang?
I'm not gonna stop to find out.
Oh, this is an awful fucking place.
No! There's no escape from that. Oh god.
Just do like we told you, or do like we.
Dude, what?
Do like we told you.
What was I told?
I don't know.
Just win. You gotta get away from him. You haven't even got Ryan from him once.
Give it another shot. And then I think I've got another idea for something for us to play a little bit.
Is there more spooky games?
Yeah, they're a little jankier though, but they're all different themed.
Are they all the same style though? Made by the same guy?
This is evolution coming into this. Fucking
Oh,
wrong.
I'm blooded. That's all for now. One day we're gonna beat that.
How fucking quaint.